Hello, and welcome back to another Wellness Wednesday video with Alessia's Academy. In this week's Wellness Wednesday video, we'll be exploring staying calm using physical grounding and deep breathing. There are many different techniques that can help you to calm your nerves a bit when you're feeling a little flustered. Today, we're going to explore two of them. We're going to go through physical grounding, so focusing on physical touch, and deep breathing, controlling our breath. We'll start by looking at physical grounding. There are times when our thoughts can become overwhelming, and it can be difficult to try to picture relaxing spaces or take deep breaths. It is in those moments that physical grounding can be really helpful. Using things like physical touch can help us begin to calm ourselves until we're able to do the more difficult tasks like controlling our breathing. So whenever we're feeling really stressed, this is a good place to start in helping ourselves. Try playing with something small in your hands. Do your best to only focus on the way that the object feels in your hands and nothing else. So we're really trying to bring as much concentration as possible into that physical touch sensation in your hands. If you're not sure what you can use as a grounding object, there's a couple different suggestions here that you can try. So you can try using a stress ball, a small gemstone, a small toy pocket animal, a fidget toy, even a tube of chapstick that you might have, a small rock, or even a ring. And if you wanted to, you could also try putting your hands under running water to feel the sensation of the water on your skin. Make sure it's not too hot or not too cold. You get close to room temperature, but you just want to feel, again, that sensation of touch on your hands and bring as much awareness to this as possible. This physical grounding will help you to begin refocusing your thoughts. When you feel ready, try our second strategy that we're exploring today. Deep breathing. So this is something that requires nothing else but our own breath. Deep breathing. Controlling our breath is something that helps us to relax our body enough to begin feeling calm. Deep breathing engages our parasympathetic nervous system. When we're breathing deeply, it's like telling our body that we're okay and there's no danger. So sometimes when we feel anxious or we're feeling stressed, there's a lot of signals that our physical body is sending to our brain. And so by controlling our breath in a calming manner, in that deep breath, we are slowly telling our body that everything is okay, there's nothing to be scared of, and we are taken care of. Let's try to do this together. We'll take a few deep breaths. So you're going to inhale for a count of 4, hold your breath for a count of 2, then release for a count of 4. And finally, hold the bottom of that exhale for another count of 2. Try to repeat this about 5 times or so, or as much or as little as you need. We'll try this practice now, and I will count it out for you. Ready? Let's go. Inhale. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2. Release. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2. Okay, so I hope we're already starting to feel more settled. Continue to do this as much as you need. If you felt like your heart was racing before, this should help you to feel like it's slowing down and getting back to normal. And now that you're feeling a little bit better, make sure that you're taking the time to do something nice for yourself because you want to continue calming your nerves and feeling that calm. If you're still looking for other ways to help you feel more calm, please see our additional techniques that we went through in last week's wellness video. We'll leave a link at the end of this one for you to make it easy. And as always, if you have any other questions or need any additional help, please feel free to leave a comment on the video below. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you found it helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos that teach you how to learn for life and get through school while taking care of yourself. Until next time, see you soon.